Oh, am I blocking your way?
Yes.
Hi guys!
Hey!
So today we're gonna make keto enchiladas. And so
Yum.
we just thought we would record it for you because it's delicious and you're gonna wanna know what to do. So what we use is rotisserie chicken. You wanna hold that up, babe? Rotisserie chicken, we shred that up. Then we use 3 packages of the egg white thins. We use 3 because we got a lot of people that like it. We use this big bag of cheese, but we're gonna use about half of that, so about 4 cups of that. And 2 cans of the Taco Bell mild sauce.
Check out the background nutrients on this.
And
0.
0 for the carbs.
And
then
0 for
also,
everything.
and heavy whipping.
Oh.
And heavy whipping cream.
And then heavy whipping cream, about a half a cup of that. So first we're gonna shred the chicken, get that ready, and then we will start the enchiladas. It takes about 15 minutes, super easy.
Perfect.
And delicious, right?
It's also gonna be delicious.
Yeah.
Okay, let's start shredding. There we go. Okay, so we're gonna shred the chicken, and I got some little helpers here.
Hi. Hi.
John Jr. and Isaiah. And we're gonna shred some chicken up.
Why
We're gonna do the whole chicken.
It kind of looks like a brain in there. Look at
Not
like
a
that
brain.
moldy.
It's not moldy. It's just been in the fridge. Okay. So we're gonna shred this up. You know how to do this, right?
Yeah.
You got a bowl, honey?
Do I have
No.
to take off the skin?
It
You want a
smells. It smells like brain.
Just put it on the, smells like brain. Just gonna put it on the plate.
It's hard to take off the skin.
Here. Just peel back.
I know how to do it, Mama. I know.
Don't worry. Everybody washed their hands beforehand. I made
I
them.
don't think
Especially
I
the
did.
kids.
Yeah,
Yes,
I
you
did.
Oh, okay.
Okay, now that we have our chicken all shredded up, so there's all of our chicken. We're gonna put it to the side for a second. We're going to open our bottle of mild sauce. We have our oven preheated to 350.
Mama,
Yes, baby.
you don't mind wait, one?
Okay, so we're gonna put the whole bottle of mild sauce in here.
Okay, help? Huh?
Yeah, hold on. We're gonna put that in there, and then we are going to take our heavy whipping cream. You wanna help me with this, Isaiah?
Yeah.
And probably put about a half a cup of heavy whipping cream, not too much. Then we're gonna turn on the stove.
Wait.
And we're gonna mix it together.
Mix it. Mix it. I said mix. Okay, don't fix that.
Yeah. Don't touch it, baby. Okay, and then once that's mixed together, you're gonna put all of your chicken in there. And then combine it really well.
Can I help?
Not right now, baby, because it's messing with the stove, okay?
All the time.
It doesn't look like it'll be enough, but I promise it will be enough.
Goodbye.
It's up.
I'm not actually gonna be in the video. Yes, I am gonna be in the video.
What kind of noises are you guys making?
You just said it was
I just said it's cold.
Then what did you say?
I said it was hot.
Okay, so you're gonna let that come to like a boil, or not a boil. You're gonna simmer it, let it get nice and hot all the way through. And then while that's happening, I'm going to, hold on one second. While that's getting nice and hot, I'm going to take my egg white fins here, and I'm going to open them up. If I can get them open.
Oh! You put the bag in the stove.
Don't touch the stove, baby. Okay, so we're gonna take our egg white thins and we're gonna put them on a plate, and then we're gonna put them in the microwave for, actually I'm gonna open all three of them, and then we're gonna put them in the microwave for about a minute to make them more pliable, so that they can roll up easily without breaking. Check on this, make sure it's not burning. That nice and heated through. I'm gonna open up this last package here. And then we're gonna put this
My mom.
in the microwave.
My.
Hold on, Isaiah. I'm gonna put them in the microwave.
My mom always says this.
You got the oven on?
1 minute, yep. And I preheated the oven for 350. Well, that is starting to warm through.
I smell something burning.
Nothing's burning, baby. That's just the oven. Preheating. He thinks I'm gonna burn something down. I'm gonna just turn that on low. because the chicken is already cooked. You're not trying to cook the chicken, you're just trying to get it heated up so that it's easier to work with. Okay, so the microwave is done.
Mama, I said the
So
Wuffin
nice and
Buffalo.
flexible. We're gonna pull those out.
Mommy, I said Wuffin Buffalo.
Wuffin buffalo.
Yeah.
Okay, so those are off to the side. I'm gonna take my pan there, and I'm gonna take my egg white thins and my meat mixture, and I'm gonna add a little bit of chicken and roll them up, and you can see what I'm doing. Hold on a second. Yeah, what was that? You got her? How?
This.
Okay, so we got our cheese here. And then our paper plate we're gonna roll. So we're gonna take an egg white thin. We're gonna put it down. We're gonna take our meat mixture here. Actually, turn the stove off so it's not on low anymore. Take our meat mixture, put it in. Add a little bit of cheese to it, and then roll it up. And don't forget to spray your pan with some cooking spray because you don't want your stuff to stick. So you roll it and then you put it in here. And then I'm gonna continue on and keep doing it. Take the egg white thin, put it down. Take some mixture, put it in the middle. Just chicken, and then some cheese. And roll it up. And I'm gonna do that 18 more times because, like I said, my whole family likes this. Okay, so this is what it looks like when it's all complete. And then you're gonna take your final bottle of mild sauce, your last bottle, and then you're going to drizzle it over your enchiladas here. All over till the bottle's gone. And then you could just spread around if you need to, anywhere that didn't get enough sauce. if I got any more sauce left in that other bottle there. Okay, then we're gonna just make sure every place got covered with some sauce.
Yum.
Yum, huh?
Yeah.
And if you think your kids aren't gonna like it just because it's egg white thins, you would be mistaken, because I didn't think my kids would, but they love it. So, and then we're gonna cover it with cheese.
I want to help.
Okay, Isaiah, but don't make a mess, okay?
Yeah.
Isaiah's gonna help. I'm just gonna cover it all with cheese. Like I said before, I probably use, in total, probably 4 cups of cheese. Oh, Isaiah, you're making a mess. All together with everything. With inside, Isaiah. Okay, that's enough cheese.
Are you finished?
Yeah, almost. No. You have enough.
I'm getting little cheese.
No, you make a mess.
I got a little cheese.
Okay, and then you will stick this in the oven for about, you'll stick it in the oven for 15 minutes at 350, and we will let you know. We will show you what it looks like when it's done. Okay, and this is what it looks like, final product. And you can top it with some sour cream, cheese, salsa, whatever you like. Super quick, super easy, about 5 net carbs per enchilada if you're keto. And the family will enjoy it. So I hope you guys enjoy it. And I'll talk to you later. Bye.